Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play online in Dark Souls 3. To begin, ensure your game is fully updated to the latest version and that your internet connection is stable. You will also need an active online subscription for your console, such as PlayStation Plus or Xbox Live Gold. Remember, your character's soul level and highest weapon upgrade level are key factors in determining who you can connect with for cooperative or competitive play. To summon other players, you must first use an Ember, which boosts your maximum health and reveals summon signs. Look for these glowing white signs on the ground in appropriate areas. If you wish to help others, use your white sign soapstone to place your own sign. For playing with friends, simply set a password in the network settings. This convenient feature bypasses typical level restrictions for easier connections. Dark Souls 3 offers several key items for online interaction. The white sign soapstone is your primary tool for cooperative play, allowing you to assist or be assisted by other players. For competitive duels, the red sign soapstone lets you challenge others. If you wish to increase the number of players in your world, use a dried finger. Additionally, joining the Way of Blue Covenant can automatically summon friendly phantoms to defend you from invaders. For the smoothest online experience, ensure your network settings are optimized for peer-to-peer connections. Be mindful that playing with individuals across vast distances might introduce some latency. A wired internet connection often provides more stability than Wi-Fi, significantly reducing the chance of disconnects. Finally, always respect other players and avoid any form of griefing to foster a positive and enjoyable community for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.